Human beings are complex. You know, it's the beauty of what it is to be able to go through that process. Because you see, it's not our fault that we can infuriate our partner. It's not our fault. That's the whole thing. The moment you see your partner for what they are, you know, what are you going to do? You can't get in there with a scrub brush and erase it. I mean, you can't. You can't tell them to turn that gate off when they're around you. You know, there's nothing you can do. All this talk that I've heard since I was a child about love and loving your neighbor and loving this and loving that and loving God and being loved, blah, 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 and all this stuff. It's obvious to me that if you allow somebody to be themselves, if they allow you to be yourself, that's love. It doesn't have to feel like love. It doesn't have to look like love. But that's the best love of all. Because you've got somebody who does not want to play your enemy. You've got somebody that doesn't want to play God with you. You have somebody that's not always trying to bend and fix and turn you. And that's what it's all about. You know, and if we cannot accept from the other those things that we do not like, then there's no progress for us. Because it's from the place that we do not like things that we begin to reject, and out of that rejection comes violence and all kinds of other things. It's about acceptance. You know, it's my favorite joke. Assholes are born, they're not made. You know, what to do? It's not like you can punish them for that. It's not like it's their fault. It's not like you can hate them for that. They just are that way. And the moment you see that, you have to embrace their karma. What a trip to be such a being. And they're the best at it, you know, because there's nobody else like them. And nobody appreciates it. Everybody's been trying to make them into a nice person all their life, and they don't want to be. They're not meant to be, and it's really okay, and nobody appreciates that. You see, that's what love is, because I know that if you strip all of this illusion away and you get into the mechanics of how everything works, that person has their intrinsic place, like everything that's in form at any given moment. You know, we're all part of something that's deeply linked and deeply ordered. And there's room in the spectrum, must be, for everything, otherwise we're not whole. That each and every one of these forces out there, they're all correct as long as they're living out their nature. And it's the same with your partner. We do not choose our partners. You know, this is not dance night at Bonanza. Not choose our partners. We're traveling at 545,000